Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Cash App account permanently on your device. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first of all, you'll have to log in into your Cash App account, and once you're logged into your account from the home page itself, in the top right corner of your screen, you'll need to tap on the profile icon. Next page, you'll be directed to your profile menu, and once you're on this page, you'll need to scroll down and then tap on support. And as you tap on support, you'll be directed to the help center, and under it you'll have a multiple option. So among the list, you'll need to tap on something else. So as you tap on something else, once again you'll have a list of options under it. So then you'll be able to see that right at the bottom you'll have an option as account settings. You'll need to click on it, and once you're directed to the account settings, you'll need to scroll down, and then right in between you'll have an option as close my Cash App account. You'll need to click on it. So then on the last interface you'll have a confirmation. So make sure to go through all of the following statement and then tap on confirm. So once you tap on confirm, after a couple of minutes later, you'll be receiving an email stating that the deletion request has been submitted. And after that, you'll have to wait at least for 2 to 3 days, and then you'll be notified that the account has been deleted. So that is how you can delete your Cash App account permanently. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.